go. We have the lovely mother-daughter duo Tina Tahliani Parikh and Arya Parikh with us. Both of you look fab. Tina, tell us what you're wearing a little bit. Tarun, obviously, but tell us a little bit about your selection for the lunch today.
So I am wearing one of Tarun's printed draped skirts. It's actually from a collection that released just before the pandemic, and as you know, we're really promoting our ensemble rewear and restyle. So the last time I wore it, it was with a ochre Tarun Tahliani blouse, but now I'm wearing it with Katie Brown. She's a Sri Lankan designer that we work with. Yeah, and we're all about mix and match and rewear your clothes.
Right. Arya, you look lovely. Tell us a little bit about your look.
I actually didn't know this was Katie Brown because I'm also in Katie Brown and Tarun Tahliani. So I guess when you shop your mother's wardrobe, you're bound to end up wearing the same things as her.
Tina, what about Arya's sensibility do you like? Arya, what about your mom's fashion sensibility do you really, really admire?
So I'll go first. I think that the thing that I really admire, that I think you heard a little bit about already, is that she always buys super classic, which means that as her daughter, this also answers her question for her. I just get to take all of her clothes and keep wearing them because even if they're older than I am, they never look dated, and she has such a good eye at how to pair things so that they keep looking fresh even if it is the same piece. And so I think that's what I admire the most about her, and the fact that she brings a sense of style, like a sense of herself to everything she wears. Even if she's head to toe in a single designer, she'll make it her own in a way that I don't think anyone else can.
Tina, what about you? Arya's sense of style, so effortless. That's the first thing that came to my mind.
I think her sense of style is very effortless. I think also what I really like about her, she is her own person. She's grown up in this industry, she's seen a lot, and I think her eye also has kind of distilled through her growing years what works for her. So I think she's very much about comfort, she's very much about natural style. I've never seen her wear lipstick. She's again very much into sustainability and mix and match and rewear and restyle your clothes. I think she loves drapes, she loves, she loves fitted clothes that in some way are still really comfortable, and she likes like that one highlight piece, whether it's a beautiful pair of earrings or a scarf. She's very into comfortable footwear, and like she just manages to like again create a look that I am pretty much in awe of every time.
Yeah, usually from your cupboards, you can't be that surprised.
Lastly, Tina, Arya, both very classic. Tell us, is classic something you're born with, or can you cultivate it? What's the key to be classic?
For me, I grew up looking at her, so I was, I guess, born with it. I don't know where she got it from.
So for me, like honestly, as I was figuring out what my fashion style was, and I did kind of get a ringside view to what all the top designers were doing, for me it was very much about comfort. It was very much about natural breathable fabrics, and it was very much about things that I just look at and I just know it's a yes or a no. And generally it's muted things. Like I love chiffon saris, I love striking pieces of jewelry.
She loves the color beige.
And generally, I think like I'm very inspired by like Art Deco, Art Nouveau, like a lot about, like I love Maharani Gayatri Devi and the way she dressed.
And I also think you're really inspired by things that are quintessentially Indian but presented in an international way. Like obviously Indian inspired clothing for Indian occasions is a very direct look, but even when you look at something like this,
Stunning.
It's a skirt that you wear at lunch, but ultimately this drape, and Tarun is the master of drapes.
The way he's draped it.
It's that's such an Indian thing, you know,
Right.
like on a very contemporary piece of clothing that would be at home anywhere in the world.
Right.
And it's very rare that I will get something that is so standoutish and so today that I can never wear it again.
Right.
Honestly, I don't believe in that.
Right. Super stunning, gorgeous mother-daughter duo Tina Tahliani Parikh and Arya Parikh. Thank you so much for talking to you online. Thank you so much. Thank you.